Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a live wallpaper of Among Us on your iPhone. It's really easy and let me show you how. So first what you need to do here, you need to go on App Store and download the app that is called Into Live Wallpapers, and of course you need to have a video of Among Us that you want to make it to lock screen on iPhone. Alright, so once you've done that and install the app, then you need to go into the app and then select the video that you want to use. So I will use this one, and then you need to wait for a few seconds here, and now you can basically crop it, as you can see here. And one important thing that you need to do here, you need to click on canvas that is on the bottom left and select this option, and then press arrow button. And also we can do filters, adjust speed and much more, but I think we are good with this one. And also we can zoom in and zoom out, but it's optional. And then once you're satisfied with your option, then press on make, that is on the bottom, on the top right. Press no repeat, and now it's preparing, so we need to wait for a few seconds here. And once prepared, I already have this wallpaper, but for you, you need to press save live photo on the bottom, and it will save to your camera roll. And then you need to go on photos, find the video, then press on little share icon that is on the bottom left. Press scroll down until you see use as wallpaper, and on the bottom there is a little live photo icon, and press on it and make live photo on, and press set and set as a lock screen. And that's pretty much it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.